Good afternoon. So I'm going to take you through some movement for the middle of your day. I'm going to take a guess that you've been sitting for some of this morning. So what we're going to do is we're going to take two postures and we're just going to really dig into them. These are going to help turn your glutes on, open up the front of the hip, and really help with your entire afternoon. So here we are in this half kneeling position. What we're going to do is we're going to hold for 90 seconds on each side so we can really get that tissue to adapt. So this position, your knee should be directly below your hip, which is below your rib cage, and that's below your head. You're squeezing your glute. Okay, this should be opening up the front of the hip. We want to strengthen something in order to lengthen something. Holding this position, making your spine nice and tall. You want to feel this opening in the front of the hip. Push forward with your hip ever so slightly. You may feel the lengthening down your quad. You may feel it right in front of the hip. Whatever you're feeling, that's all good. Really important point to note. We don't want to dump into our lower back, so we don't want to see this kind of thing happening. Stay tall, keep your lower back nice and neutral. You're just going to squeeze your glute, drive the hip slightly forward, and you want to feel this opening through the front of that leg. And just hang out there. Breathe. Use your nose. Nice, calm breaths hanging out in this position. Let's change sides. So we're just going to do the exact same thing on the other side. If you need to, place something underneath your knee. It's just going to be comfortable for the knee. If you feel really good about yourself as well, you can even elevate your back foot on a wall, couch, chair, whatever works for you. So remember, nice and tall, squeeze that glute, feel this opening through the front of the leg, and just hang out there. Enjoy that position. Think about what's happening. Think about what's lengthening. Think about what's strengthening. So the glute is doing its job to open up the front of the hip. It's good to spend time in these positions. I find we tend to rush through them. I want you to really feel this position out. Spend a good 90 seconds, even up to 2 minutes or longer in this position. But hang out here, enjoy it. Remember to breathe, nice calm, normal breaths. The stretch might be intense, so you're just trying to convince your nervous system that everything's okay, with nice calm breaths through the nose. Feels good. Drive that hip slightly forward to get a little bit more length. Awesome. So now what we're going to do, now that we've spent time opening up the front of the hips, we're going to do a little bit more work for your booty. Coming down onto the ground, on your back. Here, we're going to perform a bridge. So your feet are about shoulder width apart, feet are flat on the ground, head is resting on the ground. Let's just bring your hands onto your hips. From here, all I want you to do, squeeze your glutes. That's your bum driving your hips up towards the ceiling. Let's just hang out here. Things I want you to note. Make sure your rib cage is staying down and not flaring up. That's going to help protect your lower back. Squeeze your bum. You're looking to continue to open up the front of the hips, just as we did on that last stretch. You can come down on an inhalation, exhale, coming back up. Hang out here for a moment, squeeze your bum, coming down. Driving back up. Now let's just hang out here for a little while. Keep the rib cage down. Squeeze your glutes. Looking to open up the front of the hips. Nice. Couple more reps. Inhale as you come down. Exhale, come up. Inhale, come down. Exhale and drive up. Really feel your glutes. Connect your brain to those big muscles. Let's come down and relax. So that's your little afternoon movement break. That should feel fantastic in your body, and now I guarantee your movement patterns are going to be really strong and stable through the rest of your day. Thank you.